the hot, golden desert ran Ari, a swift young pronghorn antelope. He was faster than the wind.
Kids' videos like this are going super viral everywhere. And guess what? I created this using just one powerful AI tool. No complicated editing, no switching between apps, just pure creativity in minutes. It gives you up to 50 minutes of smooth animation, super consistent characters, and access to pro models like Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and Hailuo 2.3, with 20 plus styles including Disney, Cinematic, Pixar, comic book, and many more, plus support for 10,000 characters. It's perfect for creating kids' stories and viral YouTube videos fast. Introducing MagicLight AI, the all-in-one tool that brings your ideas to life. You can write your script, create the video, and even edit it, all in one place. No need to switch between apps. Getting started is super easy. Just click the link in the description and start at no cost. Once you're in, you'll get 300 credits to try. And you'll have a chance to win a MagicLight Pro plan for free. Just comment on what kind of video you'd like to create, Disney, Pixar, or Cinematic, and make sure to sign up using the link below in the description. Then, send your MagicLight account details to my email. Winners will be selected randomly. Alright, now on the home screen, you'll find sample AI-generated animations. Click on any of them to preview and explore different styles, effects, and storytelling techniques. It's a great way to see what MagicLight AI can create. Now, on the left side, you'll see the AI generation section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can choose different video types like story to video, kid story, explainer video, character vlog, and more. Each option is designed for a specific purpose, whether you want to turn a script into a full animation, create a fun kid story, or even bring your AI character to life. In this video, I'll show you how to create a 50-minute animation video. Click on Story to Video, and start by setting up a few quick options. First, choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram. Next, select your video language. MagicLight supports multiple languages, so pick the one that connects best with your audience. Then, choose your video mode. This defines your animation style. You can go for a comic, realistic, or cinematic vibe. For this tutorial, we'll go with a Pixar-style animation, magical, colorful, and full of life. This is the prompt section, where your ideas start coming to life. Here, you'll find two options, Smart Script and Basic Script. If you choose Smart Script, simply type your idea, and the AI will automatically expand it into a full, creative script for you. Or, if you prefer Basic Script, you can use your own story, whether it's something you've written yourself or generated using tools like ChatGPT. For example, I typed Luna the Bunny and the Missing Carrots in Smart Script. Then, I hit AI expansion, and just like that, MagicLight instantly transformed my idea into a complete script. Once you're happy with it, click Confirm. Now, here's the exciting part. MagicLight lets you create videos up to 50 minutes long. You can even set a custom duration, up to 50 minutes, right here. For this demo, let's set it to 1 minute and then click Next to proceed. And this is where the real magic begins. MagicLight automatically breaks your script into numbered scenes, each representing a key moment in your animation. You can edit any scene to fine-tune the details or remove the ones that don't quite fit your story. Once everything looks perfect, simply click Next and move on to the next step of bringing your video to life. Creating and customizing your characters. Here, you have two options. You can create your own characters from scratch or let AI generate them for you. If you choose AutoCast, MagicLight automatically detects the key characters from your story and brings them to life for you. But don't worry, you can still tweak and personalize them. Just click on any character to modify their name, voice.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
You can also pick from a variety of pre-generated characters, or if none of them match your vision, create your very own unique character. In the prompt section, describe your character in detail, include traits, appearance, or even upload reference images if you want the AI to match a specific look. Once you're happy, click Generate. You can either edit the result or, if it's perfect, just hit Apply. Repeat the process for the other characters in your story, and when everything's ready, click Next to continue your animation journey. Next, we move on to the storyboard section. This is where your video truly starts to come alive. On the top left, you can add voiceovers to give your story that cinematic touch. Start by adjusting the speed and selecting the perfect voice actor to match your story's tone and emotion. MagicLight will automatically generate images for every scene in your script. Take a moment to preview them. And if something doesn't look quite right, simply regenerate the image and just like that, your new scene is ready with stunning visuals and perfectly matched characters. If you want to tweak the visuals further, you can use Google Edit to make detailed adjustments or touch-ups without affecting the rest of the image. Now, let's bring these images to life. Choose a scene and click Animate. Here, you'll find several video models to choose from, each designed to create high-quality, professional animations with smooth motion effects. MagicLight offers two powerful animation modes. Intelligent Generation, where animations are dynamically created based on your scene's content. Customize Prompts, where you can define specific details and styles for more creative control. Select the one you prefer, click OK, and let the AI work its magic. Once it's done, preview your video. You'll be amazed at how beautifully your story comes to life. Now, switch to the second scene, click Animate, and choose Animate All. This way, every scene gets animated at the same time. MagicLight will now start rendering your full animation. Just sit back, relax, and wait a few moments while your masterpiece comes to life. Choose your cover settings, subtitle settings, background music, and aspect ratio, then click OK. And that's it. Your fully generated animation video is ready to go.
Luna twitches her nose, the sweet scent of carrots gone, replaced by a sense of foreboding in the sunny carrot farm. Her burrow is bare, a stark contrast to the usual bounty, signaling a disruption to her world. Panic flares as Luna realizes Old Man Fitzwilliam's prize-winning carrots are missing. Her face etched with worry, bravely enters the forbidden Whispering Woods, where shadows dance like secrets. A chilling silence descends, the air heavy with unspoken menace beneath the gnarled trees. Each hesitant step echoes the frantic drumbeat of her heart, a stark contrast to the stillness. The woods stand as a tableau of Luna's determination against an ominous, encroaching darkness. Luna approaches Old Man Fitzwilliam, a woven...
That's the final part, and you'll have a chance to win a MagicLight Pro plan for free. Just comment on what kind of video you'd like to create, Disney, Pixar, or cinematic, and make sure to sign up using the link below in the description. Then, send your MagicLight account details to my email. Winners will be selected randomly. That's all for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting and interesting AI tool.